everyone, I have been jamming away for the last week now, and I've been working on the Game Boy Game Jam 8 submission. This is my submission, mini minor, a demake of a Pokemon Diamond minigame, where you'd go underground and you'd mine for random items in the wall, and I really enjoyed that when I was younger, and so I tried to do a demake for this game jam. This game jam was quite strict. You could only have 160 pixels wide, 140 pixels high resolution, and only 4 colours. So the original Game Boy constraints, none of the Game Boy Color colours. So here we have some introduction. The mole introduces himself. Here we have the nice little cave system. Before I do anything, I've got to go buy a tool for free, a chisel from the mole, and I'm quite happy with how the dialogue system's turned out. And once I have a tool, I can take it to a wall and go mining. This is the starter area, so lots of these items are uncovered right from the get-go. You can see a wheel over here. If I press C, which is my A key, I dig. There we go, I've got that wheel. There's a plate. Now the rest of the items are going to have to... Oh, I see something peeking out there. There you go. I see it peeking out over here. So the starting area is really simple. You don't have to do much uncovering of other rewards before you actually get to get your hands dirty. But now I see something peeking out here. But now I see something peeking out here as well. Oh, that was very easy. This starting area is very easy. This is a nice way to get used to the game's mechanics. Digging up all of these rewards. There we go. So let's do another wall. Currently got 16 items in my bag. Once I'm done with this wall, speed up a bit. Once I'm done with this wall, I'm going to take all of these items that I've found to the mole, who's just to the right of me. And I can sell them. So we found 4 broken wheels, we found 5 pottery shards, we found 10 arrowheads, that's 120. I'm going to buy the mallet from him, that's another tool. You can use the chisel, mallet or jackhammer. Would have loved to add more tools, but it's just really hard to balance them. So now we can move out the starting area. And yes, I would like that bolt removed. So now that I'm in this area, wall's all a bit more complicated. We start getting some of this surface material, which is harder to dig through. And there's a plate right there. But now that I'm in a new area, I'd like more than a plate. I'd like these gems. These gems are worth a lot more. There's another gem. Cool. You collected all the rewards. And so this game's kind of balanced around the durability of the wall. As I hit, you'll see these cracks start appearing up the top, and those cracks will slowly build up over time, and eventually the wall that I'm digging at will collapse. I won't be able to get any more rewards from it. You might actually see it here. No, because I've been getting all the rewards, the walls haven't been collapsing, which is great. For us, out of 16, these gems all getting quite a few of them, which is pretty nice. Let's try out the new tool. So if I come down here, I can change to this tool, which is my larger area of effect. I go bonk, do a lot more damage, clear out wider area, but the bar at the top builds up very quickly, which means I can't use it much. And there we go, but the wall has collapsed. The low tier mallet is very bad at wall damage and take down walls very quickly. But it's good if you're just charging through. You want to quickly find as much as you can. There's one, there's two. That's the mallet for you. There we go. So let's take all of this stuff back to the shopkeeper. Here we go. I have 4 pottery shards, 11 gemstones, and that's it. So I could upgrade the mallet. I think the next boulder, the next area is 100, I think. So I think I still have enough to get to the next area. I think I prefer upgrading the mallet over the chisel. How much does this cost? 100. Yes, I will go to the next area. Awesome. Now we have this little part of the... Oh, hello mole. He's moved. Now there's a lot more surface. The ground here is getting a lot rougher. And it's getting harder to dig through, but there are hidden under the ground better rewards. So let's see what we can find. Some gemstones. Ideally, what we'd like to find is some geodes. I think they're worth 60. They're quite hard to dig out. They're quite rare. There you go. Crystal shard. That's good. I got it just before the wall collapsed. There's another crystal shard and another gemstone. Nice. There's another gemstone. What else has this one got? I think geodes have a 10% chance of spawning per wall, but the fact that it hasn't set up claimed all my rewards yet. I didn't get anything there. I did that one. So you might notice as I dig, I uncover the rock, this rocky area, and this rock indicates to me that there's going to be no rewards there. So I am choosing to dig in areas that I don't think there's going to be rock. Rock generates a sort of permanent, very predictable pattern, so near rock you expect there to be more rock, and near clear areas you expect there to be more clear. Ah, I see something poking out here. It's another gemstone. Awesome. I got all the rewards. Let's go sell this. How much do I make for all of that? I've made 150 and 250. Awesome. So I can start upgrading my chisel, or I can clear the way. I think I can upgrade my chisel now. The chisel upgrades allow me to do double hits on the wall. So if I get my chisel out, I go donk 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 donk. So it does around the same damage to the wall as a single hit. I think it's only slightly better. It's not until you fully upgrade the chisel that it becomes good at this. But I have to tweak those numbers on the chisel because it's doing a lot of damage to the wall. I'm not going to do that much. Oh, okay. What game? That's game jams for you. Let's get the gemstone there. That was a mistake. Let's see if I can get... all collapsed. Let's see. Hello. I have some shards, some gemstones. Oh, I could get the max mallet. Or I could process... I'm going to get the max mallet. There we go. So the max mallet should allow me to farm up quite quickly. Oh, look at that. 2 gems in one hit. There we go. Bang, bang. There we go. Easy mining. Bonk, bonk, bonk. So this might be... I should have used my chisel there. This might be a good enough tool to get me all the way into the next area. Nice and quickly. Yet again, I should have used my chisel, but I'm very impatient using my mallet. Now, I'm definitely going to use my chisel this time. There you go. Because the chisel can take it down multiple layers. Bonk. 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 We did it. We found a geode. That's what I've been looking for. They look a bit like avocados. That's Game Boy graphics for you. I'm not very good at it. I'm very good at Game Boy graphics. So let's take that geode to the mole. See what he can give us for it. The lot. 9 gold. Nice. So we can unlock the next area now. So let's do that. I don't have enough for the jackhammer, but I think the tier 1 jackhammer is pretty bad if I remember correctly. So I'm gonna get my tier 2 chisel. I'm sorry, my max tier chisel. And head over into this new area. It's a lot open. We have a way down here to explore. It will cost me 250. And we have a way up here, which I think will also cost me 250. 200. Let's get mining. Here's my new chisel. There it goes. Very donk, 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 donk. It doesn't do much damage to the wall, so I can very dig very deep. That was really shoddy work by me. Oh, let's stop that mallet. Uncover source of land. There we go. I don't see anything. Where's all of the loot? We're getting to the stage in the game where it's beginning to get quite hard to find the valuable loot. But I know there's something here. No, I really can't find it. There's a geode. That was it. That was all that generated on that wall. Ooh, before I go... this is what I was looking for. This is a sword. But I'm going to break the wall. Damn it. That is worth a lot of money. I need to not let them get away from me. There we go. There we go. That's very lucky. There we go. Let's take that all the way to the mole and see what price he can get me. There we go. So now I have the first level of the jackhammer. And because I think the reward generation's a bit bugged, I think here is actually going to be a better place to mine. Here we go. Let's give the jackhammer a test. The jackhammer rapidly strikes the wall. Very random. It does a lot of wall damage. I know there is something under there, so I'm going to use a chisel. There we go. So I think that's everything. I'm going to leave finding out what the tier 3 jackhammer does to you. You can go download and play the game in WebGL. It's hosted on my GitHub page or my itch page. It's free. once again, is my entry for Gameboy-demake. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you look forward to my next installment. Take it easy.